Hi there, my name is Gabriel from the soloentrepreneurs.com, and I'm going to show you two apps that saved small business owners from different kinds of businesses. They saved them time, effort, and money because they were losing clients because of complaints. They were not communicating with their respective shops, in the case of the manufacturers, meaning that they didn't have any knowledge of what was going on with their orders, and they didn't have a centralized place to see all of their operation. I'm just talking about really small businesses, but they were making very decent money for being small businesses. And it came a time when they needed to be more professional in the way they were running their businesses. So I made these apps for them, and I'm going to show them to you. Okay, I made these apps using Google Sheets, and the reason I did this is because when you have a small business, you don't have money maybe to invest in software or pay every month subscription for any of the services, CRMs or things like that, and you have to improvise. And Google Sheets is so simple to use, pretty much like Excel, but it's free. You can share it, and you can do a lot of things to actually save your business and make it more professional. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the template that I use with small businesses. I do this for a living. I help small businesses, and I put the systems whenever you cannot find any system. And it has got great success because it's so simple. It gives you the exact information that you need to know. That's the idea, for this thing to give you information, not just for you to put information and never getting out of it. So I'm going to show you the template and the two apps. Okay, so the first thing I do is use my template, and you can watch my other videos and I explain what this template is about, and it can get really complex, but this is the most simple version that I made of. Basically what I have here, it's all of the orders that a business might have, right? Let's say these are the orders, the order ID that I give to all of my orders, my customers' names, the models. This is just made up. This is just a template for you to watch. Classic, vintage, whatever. And you have a date. And in this column, which is called specs, what you have is many of my customers would do, or the customers in these businesses would change their minds after a while and said, listen, I want this other thing. So you can have a incomplete specs on the order, so you can call that client and you will know. Or let's say the client changed that, so whenever you see that in your screen, you have to pay attention in the case you have started that specific order for, in this case, this guy Rick Wakeman. So in the green we have, or in the yellow, excuse me, we have all of the parts, or the parts of the process that are involved in my products. Again, this is just a fictional case, but this is the actual sheet that I use for most of the businesses I work with. And let's say they have a first stage that implies making an invoice, buying materials, cutting any type of material. Again, we are kind of thinking that this is manufacturing. Then we have the assembly, quality control, boxed and shipped, right? And you click on those stages whenever the order is done. And the first application that I made for this was Client Updated, that you can see on my website. And Client Updated is basically a way for your customer to see the to see the progress in their orders. And why is that? Because in the real cases that I was working with, most of these business owners were getting tons of emails each week saying, hey, I just want to know, reaching out to you, how's my business going, my order going. And they would have to kind of take time to say something, and they didn't have the time because most of these people were solo entrepreneurs. So I created this at first, and then I said, maybe we can put this online. So the way it works is very simple. You just you can put this on your own website. And let's say this guy, John Lord, wants to check his order. The only thing he has to do is put his serial number, order ID, JL334, and boom, he's gonna get the information that he needs, you know. Order ID, his name. Okay, we made the invoice, we have bought the materials, we're cutting, and we have assembled your order. We just need to go through quality control and then box it and then ship it. So immediately with this, the companies that are using, the businesses that are using this app, suddenly all of those emails just stopped from one day to the next. It was unbelievable. So they saved a lot of time. So again, you can start with a very simple sheet, and let's say you have to do more updates and it's finally done, and you can just refresh and go through the same process, and it'll give you that information. So excuse me, I have my quiz here, and there you go. And as you can see, all of the processes are completed. So this is really useful because, again, if you are working on your own, you're gonna get a lot of emails, especially if you build something with your hands. So you can now put it out there online for the client. Okay, the second app that I made, it's a communication between the workers. Let's say if you have a small shop and you're in an office kind of distant from it, and you want to see the information that they can give you just in one screen and not go and ask them or text or anything, it's very simple, and you only need a phone and barcodes. So I'm gonna show you what it does. So you just need your phone, and in this case I have a few orders, and these are the orders that can be on the manufacturing floor. Let's say if you're making shoes or furniture and you have people working for you and you need them to update you on what they're doing, so you don't have to go with a pencil and write all of this down, and it connects to your Google Sheets. So you just open the app, which is called the Client Updater, and you have it right there. It's gonna open up the camera, and in this case we have a few orders, so we're gonna just scan the code right there, and it's gonna give you this, a home screen where you can update your process. And in this case we have Mr. John Lord, and if we go to our Google Sheet, we have that Mr. Lord's order has the invoice, the materials, and the cutting, and we just did the assembly and the QC. So the only thing that we need to do is find assembly, QC, and then we just update the order, and that's it. Our Google Sheet is updated, and this can be on your shop floor. And of course you can, after that, you can just say, okay, thank you, and I do want to scan another order. So we just press OK, and I have another order right here. But this guy, which is Mr. Rick Wakeman, changed a few things on this order, and we haven't actually started. So we're gonna scan the code right there, and again, it's gonna show me how to update the order. We just click that, and in this case with Mr. Rick Wakeman, we need to start doing everything. So I'm in the shop floor, and I had made the invoice, I have bought the materials, and I have cut some parts. So after that, I'm just gonna select those, I'm gonna update, and as you can see, it's updated in my Google Sheets. So this is super cool because it's remote. You can share it with everybody. If you're working from a distance with people that are more involved, hands-on things, and they don't want to mess with Google Sheets because it's kind of intimidating, or they can make just a simple mistake of just clicking on somebody else's order. This should be the owner's computer. This should be the business owner. So it's a very good thing that saved a lot of time for a specific client of mine that she was struggling with time and communication, and now a bunch of my clients use the same system. So these are the two apps. I hope you enjoyed them, and you can download my template. You can just send us an email and ask for the template if you want to use it. It's totally free, and we can help you with any doubt that you have. And you can go to our website, thesoloentrepreneurs.com, and check our apps. They're for sale, and we set it up for you. We do customize your processes, the number of those, the types, and we give you the final apps finished for you. So I hope you like them, and they're really useful. And these were real cases. This is not something that I just made because I was bored, and it saved a lot of time for these business owners. So thank you so much.